Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I have been seeing a lot of YouTube tutorials about makeup for beginners, and I am the beginner when it comes to makeup, and I was like, it will make sense if a beginner, me, do a beginner makeup tutorial. So in this video I am going to do this look. If it's your first time seeing my face, hi, my name is Shania Matanji, or you can call it Shania in English. I am a YouTuber from Tanzania. I am interested in beauty, fashion, and making money online. If that is what you are interested, please subscribe to my channel, comment below, like this video. That will help a lot my channel to grow. So if you see any imperfections, any mistakes, please comment below. I have already primed my face. I'm going straight to the foundation, and the foundation that I'm going to use is by Fenty Beauty. When it comes to foundation, I think the key is to blend, and as a beginner I struggled a lot, because when you see a lot of makeup tutorials on YouTube, they are editing that process, and it needs a lot of patience to do this process, and I was impatient person. I just want everything to be quick and done, so that took me so long to learn, just to slow down and blend everything out. And I think this color is a little bit white for me. I am still figuring out which color will be perfect for me. Today I'm just trying to be as perfect as I can. Of all few foundations that I have tried, this is the best foundation I ever own. It feels like I don't have anything on my face, which is good. It is not heavy. After that, I am going to conceal my face. I'm not going to do a lot. Then I am going to set my face by using Fun Luxury powder. It is translucent powder. After that, then I'm going to fill my brows, starting by brushing my brows first. And by using a brow pencil, I'm just going to fill my brows just a little bit. I'm going to brush it out just to mix everything. I am going to clean my brows by using foundation. I'm not using concealer. I'm going to set my brows with the same setting powder that I used. After that, I am going to bake. I'm going to contour my face by using a contour stick, just a little bit. I'm going to blend this contour by using this brush. For my nose, I am going to use this small brush. It is an eyeshadow brush, by the way. Add a little bit of translucent powder on the bridge of my nose and bake it by using my finger. After that, I am going to use the same brush that I used to blend on my nose, and I am going to use the same contour stick to add a little bit of definition on my eyes. So I'm going to use it as my transition color. I just love this so much. I love this contour stick so much. And a little bit at the bottom of my that is the definition that I wanted. This contour stick, it is so amazing. It's not that much creamy. It is, after that, I'm going to use the same translucent powder to just add a little bit of color on my eyes. Just like that. Just like that. And I'm using the same I'm going to use the same pencil that I use to fill my brows as my eyeliner. I don't own liquid eyeliner. For me, when it comes to my eyes, this is all that I do. I'm going to use this e.l.f. brush to toast out this powder and to mix everything. I am going to do my lips. I'm going to use the same pencil that I used on my brows and my eyes. It is this tiny pencil. It has the brown color and black color, so I'm going to use a brown to line my lips. Then I am going to use this dose of color. I forgot the color of this lipstick, but I will leave everything down on the description box below. It has pink. I just love this lipstick because it matches my brows. I didn't plan it, you guys, but I don't do brush, I don't highlight. This is the only thing that I can do. Thank you very much for watching my video. What do you think? I know there is a lot of things that I didn't do and normally other people does. I'm still learning. I will see you in my next video. Bye.